President Emmerson Mnangagwa has not filed opposing papers in a constitutional court challenge brought by war veterans seeking to block proposed constitutional amendments that would extend his tenure by 2 years. A development the applicants say shows he is not opposing their case. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mnamuda yuwa mchinzi. Attorney General Virginia Mabiza, who is cited as the second respondent, has filed an opposing affidavit stating that she is acting on her own behalf and on behalf of the president. She says Mnangagwa authorized her to respond because the matter relates to statutory interpretation and is not expected to involve disputes of fact. However, in a replying affidavit, one of the applicants, Ruben Zulu, argued that Mnangagwa's failure to personally file opposing papers means he is not contesting the relief being sought by the war veterans. The failure of the first respondent to file an opposing affidavit means that he is not opposed to the relief sought, Zulu said. The applicants Zulu, Godfrey Gurira, Shore Nyamagondo, Joseph Chi Nyangare, Tigmo Knowledge India, and Joseph Chungua are being represented by constitutional lawyer Lavo Maduku. Zulu argued that the president must personally respond to allegations that he failed to fulfill constitutional duties and that Attorney General cannot legally stand in for him in such a matter. Zulu further argued that the obligation for the president to respond to such constitutional claims is non-delegable. This cannot be delegated to any other state official. Whatever the circumstances, Zulu say, the war veterans are asking the Constitutional Court to nullify the proposed amendments, arguing that they are unconstitutional and designed to unlawfully extend Mnangagwa's rule. Ndo patashika hapa mre Zimbabwe. Pinakomeza kishemedo mzofungura aimot kulipa msabiti each unit Mnangagwa is not opposing war veterans constitutional challenge. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.